Here we have a 71 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now this vehicle comes with over £2,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We do have the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels with the wide arches as well, giving it a nice stance. The black exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. There's a look at that front end. Now coming round to the passenger side, you'll then find the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. You also have the WILDTRAK stickers as well. You then have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the roof rails. We also have the roller shutter as well just here. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We also have again the Ranger and WILDTRAK stickers on the tailgate. We then have the tow bar just down here as well. Making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Inside of the back first you'll find the half leather seats, the orange stitching, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors. Again at the front you've got the same leather seats, WILDTRAK logo embroidered on both front seats. Both front seats are heated and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, as you can see just down there. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights. Multifunctional steering wheel just here in front of us. We've got the dashboard as well, with the two digital screens either side. Put your foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. We do have the volume buttons, phone connectivity here on the left, along with the speedometer and the cruise control on the right. As you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Now we do also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we go through them, you'll find we have the audio options where you find the different radio stations, but we do also have the Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. We have the mobile apps. Then onto the settings you'll find further features which you can scroll through. You'll find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We also have the ambient lighting just here as well. Further down from there you'll find the climate control, which has the ice cold air conditioning, the heated seats either side. You can also control it on the screen just here. You'll find two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low drive modes settings. For the gearbox we also have then the automatic gearbox. Put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera with the parking sensors in the top right. Back into park just like so. We have the cup holders, manual handbrake, leather armrest as well. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. This vehicle comes with Ford warranty until December 2024, free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the phone connectivity and volume buttons here on the left, along with the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the right. Dashboard in front of us, which has two digital screens either side, where you can change the information and change the displays. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it'll be free from any onward knocks or bangs. We do have the leather seats as well, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav, but also has plenty of features on there you would have seen all on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. We then have the climate control that's just below there, which has the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hottest days. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through the gears. We then have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings for the gearbox. We are about to take a right hand turn now, so we put our right indicator on, just slow down and then take the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Power onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen. back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.